everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Vivo X100 Ultra, a phone claiming to have the best camera system in the market. But can it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 98% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. First things first, the X100 Ultra boasts a monstrous camera setup on the back. We're talking a quad camera system with a massive 1/1.4-inch main sensor, a crazy good 85mm periscope zoom lens, and dedicated wide and telephoto options. But specs only tell half the story. In good lighting, photos are stunning. The main sensor captures incredible detail, and the zoom lens lets you get ridiculously close to faraway subjects without losing quality. However, things get a bit trickier in low light, while the X100 Ultra holds its own. Some competitors offer slightly better night photography performance. Additionally, the lack of an ultra-wide selfie camera might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, the X100 Ultra delivers some of the best smartphone zoom capabilities on the market, and picture quality is excellent in most situations. But low-light performance could be better, and the front camera setup might not be for everyone. Verdict: so, is the X100 Ultra the ultimate camera phone? It's certainly a contender.
It offers exceptional zoom, fantastic photo quality, and a ton of features for photography enthusiasts.
However, the competition is fierce, and some users might find better value elsewhere. Ultimately, the decision depends on your priorities. If you're a mobile photography fanatic who craves unparalleled zoom and fantastic image quality, the X100 Ultra is a serious option. But if low-light performance and a feature-packed front camera are high on your list, you might want to explore other flagships. Let us know in the comments below, what do you think about Vivo X100 Ultra? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.